Well, good afternoon, magandang tanghali, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Today we're going to do a house blessing. We have our cake for the owners of the house, and we're going to be doing this. This is a house that you're very familiar with, and I hope you enjoy it. Well, let's go ahead and get started, right? Let's head out.
Layo namin. We had a traffic.
Happy house,
Yeah.
Happy house blessing day. Hey, whoa, everything.
Congratulations.
Make this place a better place for living. We are also gathered as people who believe, using far and wide the goodness of Christ.
The Lord be with you.
And the Spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke. The same house and eat and drink what is offered to you, for the laborers deserve his payment.
Bakit may isa pa ba doon?
Hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come.
Food is ready. Come and eat, everyone. We're going to close out today's video, and today was the house blessing. It was only the house blessing here. I promised you that we were going to do a full walk through the house because this is an amazing build, and you're going to want to see the end results of this house right here. Now, originally, I was just informed this. This is Mark. This is Mark, the owner. And Mark just informed me. He changed the name of the house.
Breaking news.
Breaking news. It used to be
Villa Amistad.
Villa Amistad. Villa Amistad. And the new name is?
Villa Paraíso. Paraíso.
And what does that mean?
Means House of Paradise.
House of Paradise. And it
Perfect
is
for retirement.
Yeah, and this is
This
is a house and property of paradise, perfect for retirement. So we will do together. We will do the final episode in about a week. So you just got a little taste of what it looked like here today for the house blessing, and it was a great event, Mark.
Oh, thank you.
And many years of blessings continued from this blessing that you had for today.
Thank you, Mark.
And we will do the final one here in just a little bit. So that's about it for today's episode.
Well, good.
Do you know the routine? If you enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on the little My PI Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed, and if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time we open up a new video. Is that right? No, I think I even screwed up my own right there.
100%.
Anyway, from right here inside the Philippines, in this beautiful property, you have a wonderful and blessed day.
It's a good night for me.
If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.